welcome back to my channel. So I am doing an autumn full makeup, all with Drugstore affordable products. Yes, yes, yes. I've tried to keep everything nice and matte. I also have a little guest appearance from someone very, very special in this video. So yeah, stay tuned to see how that went down. But if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with eyes, and I'm going to prep my lids with the Revolution Pro Core Eye Primer. I'm just going to take this all over my eyelid as a base, and it's just going to cover up that darkness and obviously work really, really nicely with any shadows that we're going to apply right on top of this. So on the eyes, I'm gonna take my NYX Swear By It palette, just because I swear by this palette and it's really, really good. It's got literally everything you could ever want in one palette. This whole section in the middle right here is screaming to me. I think I'm gonna start with this color right here, and I'm gonna start by taking this color just straight into the crease, and wow, can you see the pigmentation on this? That is insane. So I'm just gonna take it back and forth in the crease. We want to make sure this color is nice and deep. I'm also just gonna take this color on the outer corner and then continue blending this shade through the crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back into the same palette and I'm gonna mix two shades. I'm gonna mix this one right here and this one right here. These kind of like yellowy orangey tones. I'm gonna take this just over the edge of where I've blended that orangey brownie tone. So this is actually gonna be the transitional shade. That deeper tone blends out into this really nice yellowy orangey shade. And then as always, go in with a fluffy blending brush with nothing on it, just to kind of merge the shades together with no extra color, and obviously for a smoother blend. And then I'm also going to take that more deeper orange and I'm going to place it right here, so that there's a transition between the outer corner color and the yellow. I still really want to kind of bring that yellowy shade back in, so you can go back and forth between those shades just here on the outer corner. And this just adds a little something extra to the look, you know? So just over the lid, I'm going to take this shade right here. So basically any bone colored eyeshadow will do. And this is just going to go on the first third of the lid. And I'm just patting that right on. I feel like nowadays you can get such good makeup in the drugstore, and when I was like starting out in makeup, there was only a few brands that you could get good makeup from, but I wouldn't want to pull it out of my kit, you know, if I'm doing someone's makeup. But now I'm like, hell yeah, like I'm not even ashamed to pull out these drugstore brands because they are so good. Okay, so I'm loving it so far, but I just want to deepen it up slightly further, a touch on the outer corner. So I'm going to take a little bit of this brown shade right here, and I'm just going to place it right onto the outer corner. Just kind of dig it into that outer V right here, and it's literally just a teeny bit. Moving on to liner now, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Tattoo Signature eyeliner, and I've never actually used this, so we're gonna give this a go. And yeah, I've got a backup liner just in case I'm not really feeling it, but should be okay. So I always like to lean the liner pen on its side and then drag it along my lash line, and you don't have to do it all in one go. You can take it in really small short strokes, and that way you might have more control over the liner. I'm having a bad liner day. I'm having a bad liner day. Allow me, please don't come for me, people. It is what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna get the mascara on, and it's called the Mascara Revolution by Revolution, and I really love this mascara. It is so good. Honestly, it gives you such thick, full and really dark lashes. If you like your lashes to look like really light and natural, this isn't the mascara for it. Guys, look at my lashes though. That is serious drama. Insane. So I am going to put some falsies on, but I think I'm going to do that towards the end. So I'm going to go ahead with face makeup now and prime my skin. And to do that, I have got, where is it? I've got the L'Oreal Infallible Anti-Fatigue Primer. I think this is perfect for around this time of year. You want your skin to look radiant, even in the cold. So this is basically gonna do just that. Right, then for foundation, I'm gonna go in with a brand new one. I actually got sent this, so I'm not sure if the shade is going to match me. We're gonna find out together. But this has a new oxygen technology. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. It's basically full coverage, it's long wearing, but without a heavy cakey feel, so it's gonna feel nice and light and hydrating on the skin. So let's get this bad boy on, and yeah, let's see if the shade matches me. I've got 330 Hazelnut. It's really, really nice and light and runny. I think this shade is a little bit dark for me. I am tanned right now, so I think by the time I blend it out into my skin and then we highlight and all of that, I can definitely make this work at some point. Wow, that is dark. I said I was tanned. Guys, this is hilarious. I'm actually gonna go over it because this is a joke. I'm gonna go over it with my EX1 foundation in the shade 10, which is gonna bring back the olive. We're just gonna sort this shade right out. Other than the shade being wrong, which is fine. I mean, I don't expect them to send like perfect shades because it's quite hard to tell when, you know, through pictures and all of that kind of stuff. The actual foundation itself, from what I can see and feel, it feels super, super nice. And also it did look really nice and the coverage was good from the get-go without being cakey. So definitely everything it's claiming to be, it definitely is that, just in the wrong shade for me. Okay, EX1 has definitely saved today. I'm still slightly darker, but that's okay because like I said, I am tanned at the moment, which some of you guys actually noticed in one of my recent videos. So someone was like, have you got a glowing tan? And I was like, yes, I have. I actually just got back from Vegas and LA. I'm actually going back there. But guys, you can keep up with everything I'm up to on Instagram. You'll know where I am on Instagram. Okay, this is looking tons better. I'm actually gonna go ahead and cream contour, and I'm going to use the Revolution Pro, oh no, this is the Makeup Revolution, sorry, foundation stick in the shade F16. And I'm just gonna get this on in all of the usual places that I like to contour. Oh my God, I haven't used these in so long that I forgot how creamy this is. I'm just gonna really gently blend this out. And because that foundation stick is so creamy, it actually blends out so beautifully. And then to conceal under my eyes, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer in the shade Buff, which I absolutely love. And I'm just gonna dot this on under my eyes and anywhere else I wanna highlight. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend this all out. And again, I just like to do this by stippling. So now everything is actually gonna work out okay with the foundation shade. And I'm definitely just gonna stipple this into my skin. And I also just want to take it up the sides of my nose slightly, and that's just going to help with the nose contour. And I used the foundation brush to go in between the concealer and the contour so that there's no harsh or funny lines. Okay, and then I'm going to set that all in place with my Vichy Dermablend powder, and this is actually my favorite setting powder from the drugstore, especially for under my eyes. It's not going to make me look ashy or anything like that. So I'm just going to pat this right over the top of all the areas where I've just concealed. I am gonna bake with this, and this powder is so lightweight, I can't even tell you. It just like works into the skin really quickly. You know how some powders, when you put it on to bake and you pick up loads, it really sits on your skin, but this, it just blends out into your skin. Then next step, then I'm gonna use my EX1 Invisiwear powder. No, this is the Pure Crushed Minerals powder. My bad. I love this powder so much. I'm gonna use this to set the rest of my face makeup. Come round here.
Where are you?
I'm here. Hiya, darling. Hello. Shall we do makeup? You can see yourself.
Can you see yourself on the camera?
Yeah, I can, Mummy.
Don't you must look nice?
Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Finding you.
Will you? You're gonna help me.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you.
Right, so then, I'm so sorry guys, I'm just doing a quick little buff onto the skin.
Okay, aren't you, Mummy?
Yeah?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Nanny is funny, is she?
Nanny?
Yeah.
She's so funny.
Can I do your makeup?
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Right, next step then is we're going to do bronzer.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the camera.
There's the camera.
Oh, that's the camera. That your bronzer.
Right here.
What's that?
Where?
That.
It's you.
Huh?
Huh?
Is that you?
It's you and me.
On the side. And we need something else.
We need some more. So guys, I'm so sorry this is no longer a tutorial, but you're basically going to get the bronzer over the top of where we've already contoured. Should we do highlighter?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's highlighter?
What's highlighter?
Yeah.
Huh? Dia, you know what highlighter is? Okay, so I'm going to go in with some highlighter drops now, and I'm going to use... If you can hear my niece in the background, don't worry about it. She just... Whoops! drops. She's just enjoying watching me film and she's entertained by all the makeup that is in this room. I'm gonna go in with the Sleek highlighter drops. This is actually a highlighting elixir and this is in the shade Poppin Bottles. Okay, so I'm gonna get these on to the top of my cheekbones and then I'm gonna blend it out.
Can I do it?
This, you can do the highlighter, okay?
Okay.
Not yet, I'll tell you when. And you only need a small amount. And then with a sponge, I'm just gonna blend it out. Ooh, girl. Ooh, oh my God, I love these highlighting drops. They blend so nicely into the skin. And even if you've powdered your makeup, they still work really nicely. And I'm just gonna take whatever's left on the tip of my nose and just on the bridge. Didi, you wanna put this on me? I love her. She's brilliant.
I'm turning around.
Oh, only here.
And some more.
Oh my God, guys, that highlighter on top of those Sleek highlighter drops is insane. And then I'm just gonna use...
Are you finished?
Not yet.
Are you doing your makeup?
I am. So guys, I'm gonna apply a bit of blusher now and I'm gonna take the Morphe, this is the blush palette. I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is really nice and autumnal. This is the shade MUA. Well.
I can see, look.
So I'm just gonna brush this onto the apples of my cheeks. These blushes are so pigmented. So we're gonna finish off the eyes underneath the eyes now. So I'm gonna take this shade all the way along under the eyes. I'm just gonna run this all the way along underneath my eyes. And then guys, I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here in the palette and just run that along my lower lash line also, just to kind of deepen up the shade and make it look, you know, as one with the top of the eye. So basically kind of doing the same thing as top of the eye. Okay guys, my niece has now left the building, so we can crack on as usual. So I'm also gonna run the Makeup Geek Kohl pencil. This is a full spectrum liner. This is the Nude shade. It's called Nude. And I'm just gonna take this in my inner waterline to help make my eyes pop a little bit. And I feel like it just gives your autumn look a really nice fresh look. Like it makes the eyes look so much nicer. So for lashes, I'm gonna go for the Eylure number 175. Eylure is definitely one of my favorite drugstore eyelash brands, and this new Fluttery range is everything. Like it's literally my favorite range of lashes that Eylure have ever done. And then for the lip, I want to keep it quite neutral but with a bit of a different undertone. I'm gonna see how this goes. I don't know if it's gonna work well, but let's get it on and we'll see. So I'm gonna go in with the Sleek Locked Up lip liner in the shade Just Say Nothing, and I'm gonna line my entire lips with this brownie lip pencil. It almost reminds me of Chestnut by MAC. And then we're gonna get the lipstick on and blend the lip liner into the lipstick. Oh, interesting. I mean, I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of it. What do we think? Shall I leave the lip like this? I think I am gonna leave the lip like this. I'm not sure if it goes entirely, but I always do nude and I wanted to switch it up. But anyway, I'm gonna spritz my face with the Morphe Setting Mist. So guys, this right here is the finished makeup look. I did really want to do a warm eye makeup, but I've kept it all nice and matte because I just feel like winter is all about that matte. But then I've added the glow back in with the skin, and look, the foundation's actually worked out perfectly. But I hope you like this look. I hope you like this lip with this eye. I'm not sure, just let me know. Leave it down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And if you want to see more drugstore looks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos. Follow me on Instagram @AnshulMUA. I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.